morning guys, welcome back to my channel everyone. Hope you're doing fine. So today I'm gonna take you through the tour of Nandi Hills. So Nandi Hills is a very popular destination in Bangalore. It's located at an elevation of 1200 meters above sea level. It's a beautiful place. The place where I'm standing right now, which is just next to the top point of Nandi Hills, you can see behind me there are some tree houses. It's a beautiful place. People come there and just sit back, relax, have their breakfast, tiffin. Guys, I am on top of Nandi Hills right now. This is the highest point on Nandi Hills. So there are various places which are very important on Nandi Hills. Number one is the Tipu drop that you can see over there. So that Tipu drop is nothing but Tipu Sultan, who was a ruler. He used to drop his prisoners. He used to throw his prisoners from there. So that's the Tipu drop there. So there are other places as well which are very famous on top of Nandi Hills. There are some 3-4 temples. There is Shiv Parvati temple, there is a Nandi temple, there is a Vadeshwara temple, and there is a summer palace, like a summer retreat. So in those days, Tipu Sultan used to come and stay there in summer. They used to use this as a summer retreat. After that, the British Raj, they built over Sir Cubbon and Sir Cunningham. They rebuilt, they renovated these Nandi Hills for their benefits, and they used to come here for summer retreat to get rid of the hot climate. So Nandi Hills is very famous for the cold climate. The climate makes very favorable for all the people in Bangalore to come here and spend some time. So usually all the Bangaloreans come on Saturday or Sundays. Here a lot of people cycle to the top of Nandi Hills. Some people come on motorbikes, some come on cars, etc. So this is a very famous place in Bangalore. It's just 60 kilometers away from the city, which makes it very favorable for all the people to come here in a very short time. So we just wanted to give you some beautiful views of Nandi Hills and some beautiful time lapses. So enjoy the views and the time lapses, guys. guys, this is the Amruta Sarovara. This is the place where they used to store water in Tipu Sultan days, and they used to use this water for drinking purposes. So it's a beautiful Sarovar. So guys, as you can see behind me, that's the Tipu Sultan Lodge, or that's the place where Tipu Sultan used to come and stay here during summer. It was a very cold place those times. Still it is a cold place, but those times it was like very cold. So as you can see, it's all broken, a little bit broken, but that's where he used to stay. When he used to come here, Nandi Hills, during the summer season, he used to come here and stay there. So guys, this is the end of the Nandi Hills vlog, and I hope you like this vlog. If you have any comments or any suggestions, please comment below, and please hit a like button if you like my video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. So thank you again for watching my vlog. Be happy and keep smiling.